Let's also quickly cut across live to Aditi, who joins us from Nirman Bhavan. Now, Aditi, Ankit was telling us that the Aam Aadmi Party hopes for a 7-on-7 in Delhi. The Congress hopes for a 7-on-7 in Delhi. You're the beat reporter for the Bharatiya Janata Party. What's really the BJP's expectation? 7-on-7 again?
In fact, this time around, Sanket, the BJP is seeming extremely confident, especially for the fact that in the assembly elections, the BJP was the single largest party. However, they chose not to come to the power. So that is the prime reason why the BJP feels that even this time around, the Aam Aadmi Party has proven their might by running the government only for 49 days. They have disappointed the people. So the votes which got divided between Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP is hoping that they will get those votes that once went to Aam Aadmi Party during the assembly elections. And they're also riding on the Modi wave at this point of time, Sanket. So both given together that the people have lost hope on Aam Aadmi Party this time. So probably those votes will come back to the BJP. And also the Modi wave that the entire Bharatiya Janata Party has been riding out. That is the second factor which the BJP is backing upon. So clearly, if these two factors are kept in mind, the BJP is extremely confident on getting the 7-on-7 seats in the New Delhi.
Okay. Aditi Anant Narayan there with the latest as far as the thinking within the Bharatiya Janata Party.